Firstly, congratulations, Nidhi, on the launch of your next two levels of the books for Three Steps Up. And I have personally benefited with Anaya being the beneficiary of this program. And I wish you all the best as you pursue to facilitate learning, lifelong learning in the kids through developing their reading skills, developing their language skills, and I'm grateful to be a part of this event. I thank my Lord Jesus for just enabling me to be a part of an event that helps holistic growth and development of our children.
Talking about the children book, how do you think children helps our children in personal development as such and about their mental growth?
So, if research has shown widely that about 95% of a child's development happens in their foundational years, in the first 6 7 years, and that's why reading is so critical. It's so crucial to this development happening. And what do I mean by that? Through developing the skill of reading, they also develop the other four skills. That's why in the formal education now you'll see that covered adequately, the reading, writing, listening, speaking skills. And that happens as you start reading. As you start reading, their children learn to make connections, they develop association value of words and make sense of sentences. It also helps them develop their imagination. It evokes imagination. It sparks curiosity. It also helps them, just nurture empathy and understanding. So, overall, building a confident human being happens when you encourage reading at an early age.
And lastly, more and more children are hooked to YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, all the social media. So how important is the book reading thing? I mean, because social media doesn't help out that way that helps out in a book.
Sure, you got to understand anything that is visual stimulation kind of sparks imagination, right? So that's why the importance of illustrations in books. That's why the importance of visuals in. That's why we have picture books and flashcards to develop young readers, and as well as the moment you encourage and are consistently encouraging reading in your child, what you're doing is helping them develop a hunger for learning, and lifelong learning becomes the core of who they are. And as a result, there are films made on books, but they don't do half the justice as you read a book, because it's something that happens in your imagination, that you create that scenario, you create that, so it develops creativity as well. So these are skills that happen only as you encourage the child and you're with the child. I mean, you got to be authentic about, and consistent, because children watch. They will do what you do, not what you say. So it's important that you lead by example. So I would encourage more to read. Thank you.
Ma'am, what do you say about today's book launch session and what the author who is launching it?
So, as a person who's grown up reading myself, I've actually been worried in the past 2 years because my kids love books, and that's one thing we've inculcated in them from the time they were born. Literally, when my kids were 3 months old, we were reading books to them. And the past 2 years, and them not going to school, and all of that stuff has definitely gotten me scared as a parent. So when we get learning aids like this, because I'm not a teacher, I don't know how to teach my children technical stuff. But when we get aids like this, it really helps. It's extremely helpful. And I think that this book's going to help thousands and thousands and hopefully millions of parents across the world.
But do you think in the last 1 decade the system has changed regarding education of the children? I mean, the way that the schools teach the children or the way they get trained?
Absolutely, and it most definitely should. That's my utmost priority in actually putting my kids in school today, is that I don't want them to be taught the way I was taught. The world has evolved. The children of today are very different than us when we were little. The exposure they have today is far greater than what we had. And so the education most definitely needs to be different.
And everyone hooked to social media, everyone wants to be an influencer as such.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? I mean, how important is this book reading thing or getting knowledge from the book is important for anything? I mean, being an influencer also, how knowledge is important?
So I truly believe that reading sparks creativity and reading sparks imagination. And before I was an influencer, I was a fashion designer, and I feel like all my creativity came from the fact that I read all these magical books when I was young. So books open a whole new dimension, a whole new world, which really fuels your imagination and creativity. And that's what I most definitely want for my kids. Thank you.
Ma'am, first congrats on the book launch.
Thank you so much.
Can you just tell us what is the basis of writing this book and how it can help out the children in the future?
So this is my second launch actually. I launched in 2014. That was 3 books I have launched earlier. This is my 2 more books which I'm launching this year, and these books are the continuation of the first 3 books which has been there. And these books are to help the kids to read at early age, and it helps them to understand how to read in an easier way and with phonetic sounds, basically the sounds which are connected, and it can be decoded and the child can read anything with this kind of words. The pictures are very illustrative, very colorful, and it basically helps them to open their mind and think more, and the imaginations grows with the book, and it helps them to read very fast in the early ages.
Are you inspired by some author in Western countries or India? You're
Uh,
reading this kind of book or-
Really, actually, what inspired me were the kids in India who were not able to read. It was a pain to see when a child is not able to read. So that's where I felt that I need to come out with something which can help each and every person, whether they are able to read or not able to read. There are people who cannot even buy books in India, but still they want to read. So that's how I started my career, and I launched my books for the kids who were not able to read properly. When I worked with them, then I realized ki, okay, this can help them in a better way, and gradually, starting with my book, it came out to be very, very successful.
So how do you think that the book will be helpful in the future?
Yes, because again, see, every child faces problem when they start reading, because it's very new to them. Every child has to go through the language procedure. So I feel phonetics is one way which is the easiest way to read at the beginning of the stages of life. And definitely when you read more to the child, they understand words very well, and phonetically it helps them to read faster.
श्योर निधि को मैं काफ़ी साल से जानती हूँ एंड आई वॉज देयर एट अ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड बुक लॉन्च ऑल्सो शी इज़ वेरी वेरी डिलिजेंट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इज़ दैट शी इज़ नॉट गिविंग अप ऑन हर ड्रीम्स मतलब बीच में उसने थोड़ा ब्रेक लिया जब उसका सेकेंड बेबी हुआ था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी शी वॉज ऑल द टाइम ड्रीमिंग ऑफ द बुक्स शी वॉन्टेड टू राइट और वॉट शी वॉन्टेड टू डू. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दैट शी इज़ वेरी परसिस्टेंट एंड शी नेवर गिव्स अप ऑन हर ड्रीम्स और वॉट एवर शी क्रिएट्स इज़ रियली प्रिसाइज बिकॉज बहुत कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से जो है वो काम करती है उसके ऊपर. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस निधि, आई वुड रियली लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट यू ऑन योर हार्ड वर्क एंड डेडिकेशन एंड माई वर्क. आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर अवेयर और नॉट कि मैंने टेलीविजन से लास्ट अक्टूबर में जो है वो ब्रेक ले लिया, इनडेफिनेट ब्रेक ले लिया एंड आई एम ओपन टू वेब एंड मूवीज़ दो, लेकिन नॉट कम्प्लीटली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव अ 80-year-old सन, ही इज़ ग्रोइंग, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अभी उसे मेरी ज़रूरत है. स्पेशली आई एम क्वाइट प्रमोटर ऑफ एजुकेशन. पढ़ाई के मामले में आई डू नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ एट ऑल बिकॉज आई फील दैट द वर्ल्ड विल बी बेटर एंड हमारा इंडिया बहुत प्रोग्रेस करेगा अगर हर बच्चा यहाँ का पढ़ जाए तो. सो सेकेंडली आई took up to my YouTubing and in working as an influencer on Instagram because I'm a certified nutritionist and an image consultant. तो मैंने सोचा कि इतनी नॉलेज जो गेन की है, इतनी पढ़ाई जो करी है, क्यों ना सबके साथ शेयर की जाए. और इसी मोटिव से जो है मैंने निकाला है अपना YouTube चैनल भी मेरा बहुत ही सिंपल है, नाम दाता सबरवाल लाइफस्टाइल सिंप्लीफाइड, क्योंकि हर चीज़ सिंपल रखी जाए, आसान रखी जाए, उसी में मैं बिलीव करती हूँ. और नॉलेज जितनी भी हो हम एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करें तो बढ़ती ही जाएगी, बढ़ती ही जाएगी. तो मैं इसी के ऊपर वर्क कर रही हूँ क्योंकि एक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट भी आ गया था इतने साल टीवी करके, और ऐसा लगने लगा कि नाउ इट इज़ टाइम टू मेक अ डिफरेंस टू द सोसाइटी. अब जो सोसाइटी ने इतना प्यार मुझे दिया है, इसका उसे हमें वापस देने का टाइम आया है. सो आई एम ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प पीपल, हेल्प देम लिव हैप्पी, हेल्दी एंड मीनिंगफुल लाइफ्स.
See, about the author, as I earlier said, in the forum, that I have known Nidhi since a very long time now, and thanks to her, that children in our house, they speak like fluently in English.
English,
मुझे भी इनकी किताब मिल जाती तो मैं भी बहुत fluently बात करती. No, but she has made everything so easy and so illustrated and so beautiful that all the children, whenever they pick up her book, they get super excited. और जब आप flip भी करते हैं ना, जब आप flip भी कर रहे हैं pages, तो भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ हमें पूरी book finish करनी चाहिए. That is a very important thing because usually क्या होता है कि बच्चे books लेते हैं and थोड़ा बहुत flip करते हैं and then they just keep it away. But her books, because she has put so much effort and heart and soul in her books that you can literally see them and they're beautiful. And thank you Nidhi कि आप इतना कर रही हैं बच्चों के लिए, which is very important. Adding up to the society and education, which is very, very important. I have always promoted education in all my interviews, and thanks to Nidhi that all the children from a very early age they have started reading, which is so good. Yes.
Thank you so much, Rashida. Thank you so much.
Education world. She's acknowledged worldwide as a visionary thought and is reading at early age very important for kids. And how do illustrations specifically, because it's not only about reading, it's also about the different illustrations, the beautiful illustrations that we see in a book. So how important they are for kids at an early age?
Thank you, Shraddha. Firstly, good morning to each one of you. I am grateful to my Lord Jesus just for this opportunity of being here and being able to just celebrate this launch with Nidhi. The importance of reading at an early age is a no-brainer because I think, as we all know, 95% of the child's cognitive development happens in the foundational years, and that is why reading is so critical. They make vital connections, and these connections stimulate brain development. And as a result, it is important to introduce reading and the habit of reading at an early age, because then it sparks, their imagination. You can cultivate curiosity as well as creativity. They also learn to be socially aware, confident, as well as develop empathy. And I think that is the kind of children that we want. We want humane beings. We want global citizens, but who are humane. And that is why it's important to introduce them to reading at an early age, but also what kind of reading. And that's why when Nidhi invited me for this launch, I know it because my daughter was a part of a program, and she started reading at about 3.5, 4 years. And the importance of illustration is the fact that it helps them make connections, association. And that's why they develop the other three skills of reading, listening, speaking, as well as writing eventually. And if you know, in our formal education, these 4 skills are given adequate importance now. And that's why it's important that we introduce, that's why we start with flashcards and picture books at an early age. Why? Because it does something to their imagination. They start making meaningful connections, and that's why we introduce learning at an early age.
Thank you so much, Dr. Snail. That was really great. And now that we've understood. Okay, so today we have with us Lata Sabharwal. Ma'am, can we please have you here? Okay, so to quickly introduce Lata Sabharwal, she's an Indian actor, certified nutritionist, image consultant, motivational speaker. She has also been on the TEDx platform, and she's a very famous YouTuber. Can we have a big round of applause? And we also have with us Sanjeev Seth, who has been working in the television industry for last 28 years. He has been a part of very popular shows like Campus, Ashirwad, Karishma Ka Karishma, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, Ye Rishte Hai Pyar Ke, and I can go on. And he's currently working for a Yash Raj film titled Maharaj. Can we have a big round of applause for him? Okay, so now let's get back to the topic that we were discussing. So now that Dr. Snehal has told us the importance of how important the illustrations are, how important it is for the kids to read at an early age, I'm going to go to Simone because I'm sure she has practically applied it on her kids. So Simone, we want to know, at what age did your kids start reading, and how did phonics really help them?
So I'm actually here at the best time because My son just turned 4, my daughter's 2, so I couldn't have found these books at a more perfect, more appropriate time. As a person who's grown up reading myself, I truly believe that reading is most definitely played one of the most important roles in sparking my creativity and imagination, be it as a fashion designer, be it in whatever I do. And my kids love to read, and I've made sure that they love to read. But now to get them to read alone is something I've never known how to do because I'm not a teacher and I've been stuck at home with them in this pandemic. But now with books like this, and I was just going through the books with Nidhi, and they're amazing and they make so much sense, and I can't wait to start this journey with them today. And we're going to be only talking in phonics for the next couple of months, and let's see how this goes, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
That's really amazing. Thank you so much for answering it so well. Okay, now let's get to... Yes, so I would request Lata ma'am to speak a few words today and just tell us about how do you feel about the book, and yes, a few good words for our author today.
Definitely, first I would like to speak about our author, that she is very, very diligent and she loves her work. So definitely whatever work she is creating has to be the best because she is really into it. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि निधि शायद दिन में रात में अपनी बुक्स के बारे में, फोनिक्स के बारे में, यही चीज़ों के बारे में सोचती रहती है. Am I right, निधि? Okay, and there's a saying that children are made readers on the lap of their mothers. मतलब बच्चा जब इतना छोटा होता है, जब वो माँ की गोद में होता है, तब से अगर आप उसे किताब पढ़ के सुनाएंगे या बुक्स दिखाएंगे, क्योंकि वो खुद उस टाइम पे नहीं पढ़ सकता है, तो डेफिनेटली वो प्यार जो है वो बुक्स के लिए होता है, वो डेवलप कर लेगा. एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस because I, being the only child, I have grown up with books, and the same thing I tell my son also, that books are your best friend. You will never feel lonely, you will never feel like you don't have friends or you what to do when you are in your free time. So books are really, really important, and the best part is the images and the colorful illustrations, yes, what we get in the books, because children, when they cannot read, they really get attracted towards those, and they would like to touch them, feel them. Even these factors are very, very important, because it is not just about reading, it is about touching a book, it is about feeling a book, it is about recognizing, relating to it, seeing the colors. So I feel that Nidhi is doing a great job, and these books are just perfect.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for putting it out so well, and of course the words of encouragement for our author. Thank you so much.
First of all, congratulations, Nidhi, on the launch of this book. We've been knowing Nidhi since a long time, and whatever she does in the building and whenever we see her, she does with a full concentration and dedication. Like sometimes we feel कि भैया ये इतना कर सकते तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? But she's definitely different. And coming to books, I am not a very avid reader of books, unlike Lata. She reads a lot, and since her child was small, she has cultivated a daily habit of reading a story every night. Every night, without reading a story or anything, without reading anything, they don't sleep. So that's a very good thing, and I'm sure such books will really help the kids to grow. And books are always good. I have read a lot in my life. I did my CA, so I've studied quite a lot of books. So I'm really tired of reading now. But I always support them whenever they read, and it's a very, very good habit, and I think all children should cultivate this habit. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much,
I would like to add something, that in this digital world, when we are growing up watching YouTube, we are showing many videos to our children through YouTube and educating them through digital medium, that physical touch of a book is very, very important for the development of all the senses of a child.
Thank you so much. Okay, now let's move to the lady of the hour, or should I say the lady of the day. आज आप ही का दिन है, and I'm sure now everyone who has been here, I have been here since morning, and everyone is asking her about the book and what are the contents of the book. But now I would like to just ask you one question: how are you feeling today? Just express yourself. What are your feelings today?
Lovely questions. So I'm really overwhelmed right now. I'm feeling so good that everybody is here to support me in this my book launch, and I'm very happy that everybody in the morning I have told them to come early in the morning. But it's great to see everybody. Thank you so much. So my book is all about reading at early age. I have already launched earlier my 3 books, and now this is the continuation of other 2 books, which is again the blends, sounds, and the child, which it will help the child to read more confidently and more accurately with the book. The pictures are again same, very illustrative and very colorful, which binds the child to the book, and they make it a point that they pick themselves and they read it. So it's very important the child should get independent and more confident while reading with this book.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. Can we have a big round of applause for her?
Thank you so much.
Okay, with that, without further ado, I would request all the judges to kindly take 1 copy each. So we're going to do the official book launch of the event, of the book now.
Okay, as I had said before also, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने ये बोला था that in this digital world, when we all are growing and we all are encouraging our kids also, and it is nowadays it's kind of compulsory also that we cannot avoid this digital medium. So this is the best way to develop all the 5 senses of your kid. एंड बहुत छोटे से अगर हम उन्हें आदत डालेंगे, वी शुड नेवर फोर्स आवर किड्स, कभी हमें उन्हें फोर्स नहीं करना है, लेकिन हाँ अगर हम उनके हाथ में कोई अट्रैक्टिव बुक देंगे तो अपने आप वो पलट के पेजेस देखने लगेंगे. सो वी शुड मेक दिस रीडिंग हैबिट लाइक प्ले. जैसे हम कुछ करना होता है, अगर हम फोर्सफुली कराएंगे तो बच्चा कभी भी नहीं करेगा. तो यू जस्ट टेक द बुक एंड सिट एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग इट. एंड व्हेन स्पेशली दीज काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स, ये वाली बुक जब देखेंगे, या स्पेशली अगर आप देख सकते हैं इसमें, अगर देखेगा बच्चा ये कलरफुल पिक्चर्स, so they get attracted and it gives them confidence to read, and also it becomes quite easy for them to read, because इसमें इस तरह से explain किया गया है phonics के हिसाब से that it becomes very easy for them. इनकी pronunciation जो है बहुत अच्छी, बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है, and जितनी जल्दी वो पढ़ना सीखे, read करना सीखे, it is very very good for them.
Ma'am, what do you have to say about the author, about the book? About the author and
About the author, I know Nidhi since 10-12 years now, and thanks to her, because me and Lata ji were here for her.
Yes.
Before also, when she has launched the volume 1, 2 and 3, and we were super impressed then as well. And thanks to her, because her books are not many know that I have a small library for the underprivileged, and I have added these books over there. And सबसे पहले अगर बच्चा कोई भी जाता है तो ये इतनी attractive books हैं कि सबसे पहले वो वही जाके उठाते हैं. I have noticed it over the period of time that whenever the children चिल्ड्रन कम, वो सबसे पहले ये आपकी जो बुक्स मैंने लेवल के वाइज रखी हुई हैं, तो वो सबसे पहले वहीं जाते हैं देखने के लिए. So yeah, the books are like pretty nice and so colorful. All the children love it. Thank you so much, Nidhi. And as Lata ji said, it is very important for children to learn from the very beginning, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है आज के ज़माने में. हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा आगे रहें हर चीज़ में, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमें ये वी शुड कट सम स्लैक एंड हमें उन्हें डिसाइड करने देना चाहिए कि what the children want in today's life, because there's so much competition. But as well, we as parents, we have to prepare them for the tough world, and that's what I think these books are for. Early learning books.
Yes, thank you so much.
Sir, your view on the author about the book as such?
बुक्स देखो, वैसे पढ़ाई ना बहुत बोरिंग होती है. यू हैव टू मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग. और अगर बच्चे को ऐसी कोई किताब दे दे और बोलो स्टार्ट रीडिंग, ही विल जस्ट आइदर ही विल एक्ट दैट ही इज रीडिंग, और आफ्टर 5-10 minutes he will just keep the book aside and go back to his TV. So books have to be made attractive, and I just had a look at these books, 2-3 pages I just turned. I had not seen them before. Actually, nobody had seen them. So,
We have.
so these,
I remember page wise.
yeah. So these things, as she said just now, कि बच्चे आते हैं तो पहले इन्हीं किताबों की तरफ जाते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. और अभी जैसे डिजिटल मीडिया चल रहा है, पीपल फटाफट गूगल कर लिया, ये देख लिया, वो देख लिया. बट इन टुडेज डेट ऑल्सो, लाइक वी मिस आवर ओल्ड फोटोग्राफ्स जो हम एल्बम्स में लगाते थे. वी सी डिजिटल मीडिया ऑल्सो, बट हम कभी कभी ये भी बोलते हैं कि यार वो पुरानी फोटो जो एल्बम में देखने का मजा है ना, फोन पे देखने का वो मजा नहीं आता व्हेन यू सिट विद योर फैमिली एंड सी. तो ये बुक्स का भी वही वैल्यू है, एंड they are very important, or they should be preserved. And as Lata also said, developing a reading habit in children is very important. And बचपन से अगर वो डेवलप हो गई तो आगे जाके वो बुक से बोर भी नहीं होंगे, because they will feel that books are actually interesting. So Nidhi has done a very good job. Congratulations.
Ma'am, one common reaction from all of you. I mean, in today's time, social media is so strong, and children are much hooked to social media and neglecting their studies and education. So, what do you have to say about it? Starting from you.
No, I do not completely agree with this thing, because क्या है, जो हैबिट्स आप बचपन से इंस्टिल कर रहे हो उनके अंदर, बच्चा वो कहीं ना कहीं फॉलो करेगा ही. सो यू डेफिनेटली हैव टू कीप अ चेक ऑन योर चाइल्ड कि थोड़ा सा हमें जो है एक बैलेंस बना के चलना है कि ठीक है, अगर ये आपके पढ़ने का टाइम है तो ये आपके टीवी देखने का टाइम है, या फिर आपको ये इतने टाइम आपको फ़ोन मिलेगा. सो इफ़ यू आर इंस्टिलिंग दीज हैबिट्स फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड, एंड the best way to tell them is ki okay, if you want to watch TV for the whole day, then go and Google and see is it right. खुद Google में पढ़ लो. So again, the child has to know how to read. तो बच्चा पढ़ेगा तो उसको दिख जाएंगे these are the side effects of watching television throughout the day. So definitely child will give up. उसको खुद से समझ आने लगेगी ये चीज़ कि अरे नहीं, ये तो मेरे लिए चीज़ ठीक नहीं है. So I feel कि उनको बचपन से कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हमें इंस्टिल करनी ही चाहिए being parents, and we have to become role models definitely, because हमें वो चीज़ें खुद करनी होंगी पहले. If we are doing the same and asking our kids not to do, then it is not possible. So we have to create a balance in our life as well as our child's life.
Ma'am, what's your take on it?
So, we do live in a digital age, and running away from it is not the solution. We have to accept it, embrace it, grow with it. And as a mum who's got very small babies, I definitely allow them screen time, but how to limit that screen time and boundaries is what we as a parent have to set from day one. But running away from screen time is not something I am really for, because I believe what you resist persists, and the more you pull the child away from that, the more the child's gonna, one day come out and, want to do that much more. So I think boundaries, clear boundaries with your child from day one is what's important, and understanding that the digital age is very much a part of all our lives today is something parents first need to accept, and stop comparing their childhood to the child's childhood, because times have changed, everyone's evolved. The kids of today are not the same kids that we were when we were babies. And having said that, I think reading books is of utmost importance. My kids started reading when they were 2 months old, is when we started getting them to touch and feel and do all of that stuff. Well, the smartest man in the world, Einstein, said that logic can take you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere. Yes. And I think a world without books is a lack of imagination. And so I hope my kids love to read, and I'm sure that these books are going to imbibe that in them even more. And Congratulations, Nidhi.
Your view on this, about social media influence and about neglecting education and.
See, I think I totally agree with her because you cannot take away mobiles and laptops and computers from the children in today's era. अब तो बच्चों को स्कूल में भी लैपटॉप्स दिए जाते हैं. You have to send laptops to school. उनकी इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं which they have to do on the on their gadgets. And smartphones have become so easy to access. You cannot just take it away from them. But yes, you have to keep a check on what your child is doing. There comes a responsible parent. You cannot run away from your responsibility when your child is growing, is what I feel, and one has to keep a check. Otherwise, it's very difficult to take away social media from the children now. It's not possible at all.
Can I just add to that? I think in addition to what Simone mentioned, I think I'd like to add that besides keeping boundaries, making boundaries, clear boundaries, you got to communicate that clearly as well as be consistent about it.
Absolutely.
Right. Consistency is what kids watch out for. They will do what you do, not what you say. And modeling behavior starts with us and the parents. And if we can be readers ourselves, they pick up that habit. And they will be curious about it. And it's not so much telling them about curiosity and creativity as much as sitting with them and going through it with them.
What's next? About after this, are you launching a children's book in the future only or something different?
Yes, I would be. This is the series which I've completed, and I'm also side by side launching my flashcards and my other kits, which will be online gradually in the coming month. And also gradually I'll start writing more of storybooks now, because I'm finished with the basics and now more advanced level will come.
Thanks all.
Thank you.
So we'll be waiting for it, especially storybooks.
Oh yes.
I still love to read those.
Thank you. Thank you, Crossword, and thank you, Nidhi.
Thank you.